Absolute perfection in aerial technology has finally arrived. And if you thought compact drones had already peaked, what DJI has quietly engineered for 2026 is about to completely recalibrate everything you know about flying cameras. Imagine unboxing a piece of gear so absurdly lightweight that it bypasses standard regulatory barriers entirely, yet packs raw processing power, thermal efficiency, and optical brilliance that puts multi-thousand-dollar professional cine rigs to shame. Right now, on desk in front of us, sits the sealed retail box of the long-awaited DJI Mini 6 Pro, a drone shrouded in intense rumor, subtle leaks, and massive expectation for months. Every single millimeter of this packaging hints at a massive architectural overhaul, from the redesigned matte box shell down to the subtle weight indications stamped on the base. As we peel away the original factory seal, the immediate feeling is that DJI did not just iterate on the previous generation. They completely reimagined what a sub-249-gram ultralight aircraft can pull off in the real world. For creators, travelers, real estate videographers, and extreme visual storytellers who rely on extreme mobility without sacrificing image fidelity, this unboxing marks a decisive turning point in aerial production. Stay tuned every single second, because as we pull back the box lid and inspect every sensor, glass coating, prop mechanism, and controller tweak, you're going to see features that should theoretically be impossible inside an airframe this small. Lifting the main cover reveals the sleek, newly designed protective transport case that houses the DJI Mini 6 Pro and its Fly More accessories, immediately setting a tone of refined premium engineering. Sliding the primary aircraft out of its soft molded chassis, the very first touch confirms that the structural materials have undergone a dramatic chemical and composite upgrade. The shell feels markedly stiffer, denser, and more resistant to flex, utilizing a customized microcarbon polymer blend engineered to absorb high-frequency vibrations while shedding precious extra grams. The iconic folding arms click into their fully extended flight positions with an extraordinarily crisp, tactile snap that signals precision, internal tensioning, and reinforced metallic hinges. Inspecting the nose of the aircraft reveals an entirely redesigned optical core that immediately draws your eye. Nestled securely within an upgraded 3-axis mechanical gimbal is a visibly larger optical element, featuring specialized multi-layer anti-reflective coatings that shift from deep emerald green to subtle sapphire blue as light catches the front lens. This is not just a cosmetic update. It represents a fundamental leap in gathering ambient photons under extremely challenging dynamic lighting conditions, promising cleaner shadows, pristine highlight protection, and unmatched color depth. Turning the drone over reveals an intricate network of precision-milled thermal vents and microducts integrated directly into the belly of the airframe, showing how DJI solved the massive heat management challenges posed by next-generation onboard processing. Nestled alongside these thermal channels is an expanded array of downward and multi-directional optical visual sensors, complemented by an advanced time-of-flight LiDAR unit that provides sub-millimeter distance calculations during tight maneuvers. Weighing the aircraft directly on a digital scale confirms the impossible. Despite adding sophisticated hardware, upgraded optics, and extra sensor nodes, the reading sits precisely below the critical regulation threshold. Holding this sleek, aerodynamic machine in your hand gives you a distinct sense of power condensed into pure portable efficiency, making it feel less like a consumer gadget and more like a tactical piece of high-end optical equipment. Maintaining accurate color representation and zero noticeable latency during high-bit rate video transmission. Flipping the controller over reveals redesigned, customized action buttons that sit naturally under your middle fingers, allowing instant toggling between complex flight modes, vertical shooting orientation, and custom sensor overlays without ever taking your eyes off the screen. The internal antenna array has been completely restructured and integrated directly into the chassis body, eliminating external plastic paddles while drastically increasing signal penetration through heavy foliage, urban structures, and radio-dense environments. Setting the controller beside the folded aircraft highlights a beautifully cohesive design language where every curve, vent, and button serves a distinct functional purpose focused on user comfort and operational speed. Diving into the accessory tray reveals the intelligent battery charging hub, a sleek triple-bay charger that has been redesigned to support ultra-fast bidirectional power transfer. The intelligent flight batteries themselves feature subtle weight-saving cutouts alongside integrated diagnostic microchips that constantly monitor cell health, temperature gradients, and discharge cycles in real time. Sliding a fresh battery into the rear fuselage bay produces a reassuring mechanical click as the dual-stage safety latches lock firmly into place. The battery seats flush against the body, forming an aerodynamic seal that prevents wind drag and stops moisture or ambient dust from penetrating the internal electronics during high-speed, low-altitude passes. Beside the battery hub sits a freshly tailored pack of low-noise propellers featuring redesigned flexible tips engineered through advanced aerodynamic modeling to reduce acoustic signature while boosting vertical thrust efficiency. Looking closely at the propeller blades reveals a unique, compound curved airfoil geometry designed to slice through turbulent air masses with minimal resistance and significantly reduced noise frequencies. This stealthy acoustic profile means that when flying overhead, the drone generates a deep, gentle hum rather than a high-pitched buzz, allowing creators to capture authentic, candid visuals without drawing unwanted attention. The package also includes a complete set of precision balance screws, a specialized multi-tool, USB-C high-wattage braided charging cables, and an updated gimbal protector that snaps over the camera assembly with zero friction or force. Every single element inside this box demonstrates that DJI spent years listening to real-world creator feedback, eliminating every point of frustration found in older ultralight models while pushing performance metrics beyond industry expectations. Powering up the aircraft for its initial desktop diagnostic cycle triggers a mesmerizing array of multicolor LED status indicators located along the rear motor pods and front landing struts. The camera gimbal immediately executes a swift, fluid self-calibration sequence, sweeping across 3 axes with complete whisper-quiet smoothness before locking dead center toward the horizon. Connecting the drone to the controller establishes an instantaneous, crystal-clear video feed that streams raw dynamic detail back to the display with incredible clarity and vibrant color richness. On the screen, the updated user interface appears clean, minimal, and ultra-responsive, presenting real-time telemetry, wind resistance metrics, satellite positioning counts, and obstacle detection grids without cluttering your primary composition frame. Scrolling through the internal camera settings reveals expanded frame rate options, professional color profiles, and advanced bit depth configurations that give digital editors unprecedented freedom during post-production color grading. The optical performance embedded inside this tiny housing represents a masterclass in modern physical and digital image engineering. The upgraded sensor operates with an expanded native dynamic range that captures hyper-crisp shadow details alongside brilliant highlight control, even when shooting directly into harsh afternoon sunlight or bright sky gradients. Night shooting capabilities have been radically transformed through an updated low-noise image processor that leverages advanced spatial algorithms to eliminate grainy noise while preserving fine surface textures and natural colors. Furthermore, the motorized camera housing off airs true native vertical shooting, rotating the entire sensor assembly 90 degrees smoothly to capture uncropped, full-resolution tall-format visuals tailored for high-impact social video feeds and vertical cinematic displays. The structural redesign extends to the mechanical motor arms and internal brushless motors, which feature high magnetic density coils capable of generating intense torque on demand. This massive increase in power-to-weight ratio allows the drone to maintain rock-solid flight stability even when battling sudden coastal wind gusts or unpredictable mountain updrafts. The flight control algorithm constantly computes motor speeds thousands of times per second, making micro-adjustments so fast and precise that the camera footage remains perfectly level and buttery smooth regardless of how violent the exterior air turbulence becomes. This level of environmental resilience unlocks extreme shooting locations previously reserved strictly for heavy, bulky industrial drones, giving creators complete operational confidence anywhere in the world. Safety architecture on this aircraft has taken a massive leap forward thanks to a fully integrated, true 360-degree omnidirectional vision sensing matrix. Utilizing wide-angle optical sensors merged with precision time-of-flight depth mappers, the drone constructs a real-time, three-dimensional point cloud of its surroundings during flight. It identifies thin power lines, bare tree branches, structural fences, and moving objects with incredible accuracy, seamlessly plotting smooth detour paths around obstacles rather than abruptly slamming on the brakes. This intelligence grants pilots the freedom to execute complex tracking shots through dense woods, tight urban alleys, and intricate architectural spaces with absolute confidence and continuous fluid motion. The automated subject tracking algorithms embedded into the flight system have reached an extraordinary level of visual understanding and predictive intelligence. By analyzing shape, velocity, and vector data, the tracking software locks onto cars, cyclists, runners, and extreme athletes with unbreakable precision, maintaining perfect framing even if the subject briefly passes behind trees, signs, or temporary obstructions. The system anticipates movement trajectories, adjusting altitude, speed, and gimbal pitch dynamically to execute complex, professional-level cinematic sweeps that used to require a two-person camera crew. Whether tracking high-speed action across open terrain or framing subtle human moments in crowded settings, the tracking performance feels intuitive, fluid, and brilliantly responsive. Battery management inside the Mini 6 Pro represents a crucial engineering victory, delivering extended flight times that completely remove range anxiety from your creative workflow. The chemical composition of the internal lithium-ion cells has been optimized for continuous high-current discharge while maintaining stable operational temperatures throughout long flights. Real-time telemetry calculations continuously factor in distance from home point, current wind resistance, flight aggression, and remaining cell voltage to give you precise, actionable warnings on exact battery reserve limits. This intelligence ensures that you always have plenty of power to execute complex cinematic sequences, experiment with creative angles, and return home safely with a comfortable energy buffer remaining. The wireless transmission protocol built into this system sets a new standard for range, signal stability, and high-fidelity video feeds. Operating across auto-switching frequency bands, the video link maintains a rock-solid, ultra-low latency connection even through dense electromagnetic interference found in crowded city centers. The high bitrate live stream on the controller screen provides an accurate, pixel-perfect preview of your exact capture settings, ensuring that critical focus, exposure, and color balance decisions are made accurately on location. Furthermore, the internal high-speed storage array enables rapid local offloading, allowing you to transfer gigabytes of high-resolution aerial footage directly to your mobile devices or editing drives in seconds without needing tangled external cables. Audio integration features have also seen creative upgrades through smart syncing options that record ambient environmental sound directly through the controller microphone or paired wireless audio devices. The system intelligently strips out motor whine and wind rumble, seamlessly blending live ambient soundscapes with your high-resolution aerial visuals to create deeply immersive videos right out of the camera. This makes the drone an exceptional tool for solo vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and fast-paced content creators who need to capture complete, rich multi-sensory stories on tight schedules without wasting hours in post-production audio editing. Holding the unboxed aircraft side-by-side with previous generation models highlights the massive evolution in design philosophy, material refinement, and performance engineering. Where older iterations felt lightweight and slightly delicate, the Mini 6 Pro feels like a solid, highly durable professional tool built to withstand rigorous real-world travel and demanding production environments. Every seam aligns perfectly, Every latch locks with smooth mechanical precision, and the overall fit and finish reflect the absolute highest tier of modern consumer electronics manufacturing. It is a stunning visual and functional statement that proves you no longer need to haul heavy, cumbersome camera bags to produce broadcast-quality aerial visuals.